In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Salesforce Authenticator app not working. If your Salesforce Authenticator has stopped approving logins or you switched phones and the prompts no longer appear, the quickest fix is to disconnect the old registration and reconnect the app. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside Salesforce and on your phone so everything works again. Start on your Salesforce homepage and open your account menu, usually found by clicking your avatar in the upper right. From there, go to Settings. In Settings, find Advanced User Details. This area holds your personal security settings, including app registrations. Inside Advanced User Details, locate the app registration sections. You'll see entries for One-Time Password Authenticator and for Salesforce Authenticator. Open the One-Time Password Authenticator page first so you can see what's currently registered. Then open the Salesforce Authenticator page as well. On the Salesforce Authenticator entry, click the info icon to view the details of your existing connection. If you see an existing authenticator that no longer works, click Disconnect. This removes the stale link to your old device or broken setup. Right after disconnecting, click Connect to start setting it up again. Reconnecting ensures Salesforce can pair your account with the device that actually has the app. Before Salesforce lets you pair a new authenticator, it needs to verify that it's you. When the prompt appears, choose the option to get a verification code. This sends a time-sensitive code to your email address on file. Open your email inbox and look for the new message from Salesforce with your verification code. If you don't see it, wait a few seconds, refresh your inbox, and check your spam or promotions folders. Copy the code from the email, then go back to Salesforce. Paste the verification code into the field provided and click Verify. If the code has expired, request a new one. Then copy and paste that new code instead. Once it verifies, you're ready to repair the mobile app. Next, install the Salesforce Authenticator app on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play. If you already have it installed, just make sure it's updated to the latest version. Open Salesforce Authenticator on your phone and add your account. The app will display a unique two-word phrase. This phrase is how Salesforce confirms your phone and your account are talking to each other. Back in Salesforce on your computer, you'll see a field asking for that two-word phrase. If you need a refresher, you can click the Watch This Video link on the page to see how the pairing works. Then, type the exact two-word phrase shown on your phone into Salesforce. Be sure to match the words and spacing exactly as they appear in the app. After entering the phrase, click Connect. Salesforce will finish linking your account to the Authenticator app on your phone. Once connected, you should start receiving login approvals through the app again. On your next sign in, you'll get a push notification in Salesforce Authenticator to approve the request. If you don't receive a push, open the app manually to check for pending approvals. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your phone's time set automatically. Incorrect time can cause pairing or approval problems. Make sure notifications are enabled for Salesforce Authenticator so you see prompts right away. If you ever replace your device, disconnect the old authenticator from Advanced User Details before you lose access to the phone, then connect the new one using the same process. And if you prefer codes instead of push notifications, the One-Time Password Authenticator section is where you can manage that method as well. That's it. You've disconnected a broken setup, verified your identity by email, reinstalled or opened Salesforce Authenticator, entered the two-word phrase to pair your device, and clicked Connect to finalize it. Your authenticator should now be working again.